Hello everyone, Sheltech and welcome back to another keyboard review. Today we're taking a look at the NB1041 Nimbleback wired mechanical keyboard from LTC. This is a full-size 104 keys gaming keyboard that has hot-swappable switches, RGB backlighting, detachable USB-C cable, stable construction, and an ergonomic design. Today we'll get this unboxed, we'll talk about the keycaps and switches, RGB features, sound, and onboard macros. As always, the timestamps and product links are in the description to this $75 mechanical keyboard and any gear I use in my videos. So let's get this open and see what's in the box. The box is white with the simple quality designed LTC branding. Straight off we have a small user manual. Then the keyboard itself, which we'll take a look at in a second. The USB-A to USB-C cable, and a keycap switch puller combo, which is nice to see included. So all this is what you get with this mechanical keyboard. Now getting back to the 1041 itself and taking a deeper dive into its specs, the first thing I notice is the weight. It weighs in a hefty 3.39 pounds, so this really isn't going to slide around your desk very easily. But the build quality is awesome. This keyboard is built like a tank and it's all metal and weighted for stability. It has full 104 keys that has all the function, number, navigation arrows keys available to you for maximum efficiency. So this is not a space-saving design for your desk, but feels like a keyboard that can hold up to some major abuse. There is no controls or functions on the side of the 1041, but on the underside is where you find the USB-C connection. That allows you to route and feed out your USB-C cable either straight out the back or left or right depending on your preference. Here are the 4 rubber feet to keep the keyboard from sliding around, but you also have 2 level foldable feet to improve your ergonomics and comfort during typing. Some other features of the 1041, it comes in black or white, works with both Windows and Mac, and it has cool shortcuts to your emojis or microphone. The detachable rubber coated Type-C cable is 1.8 meters or 5.9 feet, so it's plenty long enough to reach most computers. It's nice that it's detachable so you can use your own cable or purchase a third-party braided or coil cable to match your setup. The Nimbleback comes with a quality dual-purpose keycap puller and a switch remover. With just a light pull, the keycaps come off easily. Right under those keycaps are the red switches that fit snugly in that metal plate. The keycaps themselves are matte black with an ergonomic curvature for your fingers, with a good looking translucent font to show off all that RGB on this keyboard. Now diving into those switches under the keycaps, we have red switches, so the keys require less force to press, but are also quiet when the key is fully registered. Red switches are the most popular switch, but the NB1040 is fully hot swappable and compatible with most 3-pin, 5-pin, red, brown, blue switches like Kailh, Polypanda, and many others. So if you're looking to modding a keyboard, the 1041 is a great keyboard to do it to. And here's a little sound test of those red switches and keys. The keys feel comfortable and are responsive to my typing. They don't sound loud and annoying like some other keyboards, so it is really something you can use every day for work and play. Of course, with most gaming keyboards these days, let's check out the RGB. There is 19 RGB backlight modes that can be adjusted on the board. By just holding down the function key in combination with backslash, you can cycle through all these modes. That same function key in combination with other marked keys can also change the colors, increase or decrease the brightness, and change the speed of the backlight modes. The Nimbleback also lets you record your own combination of keys in its onboard macro mode to save you time or moves during typing or gameplay. It is easy to enter macro mode unlike other keyboards. All you have to do is hit the function plus the tab. The backlight will flash 3 times. Long press function plus ZXC. The LED will flash. Set the sequence of keys to be triggered. Long press function ZXC again to save your macro, and function plus tab to get back to normal mode. I do love a lot about this keyboard. I love that it has all 104 keys so you can use it every day for work or play. And I like the sound of the switches. They are quiet and not clicky like other switches. I like that if I do get tired of the keycaps or switches, I can change them out rather easily. And I love the heaviness on my desk. This keyboard really isn't going anywhere when placed on a solid surface. A couple of things I would change with the Nimbleback is a braided cable and a dedicated volume control, which would complete this keyboard and make it a multimedia beast. Also, I hope LTC decides in the future to make a wireless version of the 1041 to appeal to people who really want to go cordless. So for around $75, what is my overall verdict of the LTC Nimbleback NB1041? I think for most people, this is a great buy. At this price, you're getting an extremely solid build, fully functioned keyboard. For 75 bucks, you're also getting a hot swappable, nice bright RGBs that are easy to control, custom macros, and it's built like a tank. But you tell me what you think about the NB1041 and what features you look for in a mechanical keyboard. So that was my review of the LTC Nimbleback NB1041 mechanical keyboard. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, check out my review of another keyboard, the Red Dragon Draconic K530 right here. If you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you don't miss my next videos. Thanks for watching.